I'm Scott Wolcott, and we're here in our Gulfstream G200. The transition between the Baker audio panel and the Becker audio panel is about as close as plug and play as you could get. The single largest feature that really impressed us with this unit was the 3D audio. It's as if that's coming out of the speaker somewhere. You can continue to hear in the center, and you can clearly listen to the ATIS frequency at the same time. So there's no transition over to the other pilot. It blew us away. Some pilots don't transition very easy into new technology. The guy that I fly with, I would identify him as being one of those. When somebody like that sits there and says, I love this unit from the get-go, you know that this is a product that it was excellent for this airplane. The Becker support on this unit has been phenomenal. We had a few issues that we didn't understand, and we just simply picked up the phone, and within a matter of minutes, I got a text message to call me. And then on the road, we had some minor adjustments that we wanted to be instituted into this unit, and Becker responded, got on an airline flight, and actually flew to the airplane to take care of this 30-minute issue. They wanted us to be satisfied. So I can't say enough about somebody who supports their product in that manner. It's impressive.